Hi, I'm Mike Turner, Senior Industrial Designer with DG Design. My day job is typically focused around the development of concept and production vehicle datasets. We work with a global client base across a variety of transport sectors. But in my spare time, I like to continue making digital concept vehicles in Alias and rendering them in VRED. This spare time work is all about producing simple sketch models, looking at basic form and branding, just for fun. And because it's after hours work, I'm not obsessed with trying to produce perfect production data. It's more about quick ideas communication. So the services I'm generating aren't intended to be class A. They're simple and fast modelling, and the techniques that I've developed and I apply, I'm looking to demonstrate in these videos. The idea is that I keep things simple in the hope that it will help beginners and newcomers get started with the software and perhaps just demystify the way Alias models are assembled in the first instance. So, a few months ago, Autodesk contacted me. They wanted some help to road test their forthcoming Alias 2024 release and to see how it performed in more of a sort of a live project environment. This request for support has given me a really nice opportunity to revisit some of my existing designs, which I've done in series 1 of this blog. But it's also given me a chance to look at perhaps a few new product ideas. And in this video series, I'm looking at an autonomous vehicle for utility applications. My own career background has been predominantly in sort of off-highway and utility vehicle design, and in that arena it's about developing purposeful, often multifunctional products. They're not overly styled, it's more about considering practical applications, ensuring things are enormously robust because they live a very sort of hard duty, and ensure they're easy to manufacture as well, ensure they're easy to go together and easy to repair. So with this in mind, a couple of months ago I came up with an initial block volume study for what was going to be a small electric vehicle platform suited to a variety of sort of on-road and light off-road applications. I envisaged it being able to carry smaller loads, perhaps pallets on a building site, to cover sort of delivery and logistic aspects. I thought about maybe parcel delivery, a mobile parcel van. I thought along the lines of a mobile shop, a pop-up stall, perhaps even event catering, and that could be manned or entirely unmanned, like a mobile vending machine. I thought about a small people carrier, more like an event shuttle, or perhaps something that could transfer a few employees between different sites on a large factory. Having played around with several different sort of CAD configurations, I hit on this one, as per the screen grabs that you're seeing on the screen now. I was happy with the principles of the design and the basic concept volumes. As far as vehicle size goes, I felt it was about right and did what I wanted it to do. But now I wanted to come back to it and develop a little bit of styling interest to the form. I wanted to keep things simple. I didn't want to lose sight of the overall practical aspects of the design and the modular thinking behind the product. So in this video, I'm working with that initial basic package model that I developed, much as I might do when developing concept surfaces around engineering base data. And then I'm working over the top of it to refine things and evolve the looks a little bit more. In total, to develop this model, there was perhaps 4 or 5 hours modelling involved. And to try and summarise it here and truncate the process, I've used sped up footage to give a high level summary of what the design was about and how it evolved in Alias. I've provided a commentary over the top to talk you guys through each stage of the build and identify key tools being used. I hope you enjoy the footage and that it helps give you an appreciation for Alias sort of high level modelling principles. And see what a fun and useful piece of 3D software Alias is. So, yeah, let's crack on and on with the show. Thank you.